Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Well, we have cross stitch kits. Get it out of the bag. All right. This is from ColorfulDIY, and I was going to tell you, I ordered it on the 12th of this month, and today is the 30th, so what is that, 15 days? 12th, 30th, 20 days, maybe? You do the math, my brain is broke. All right, so this first one that I have is from Joy Sunday. And it's 58 by 17, and it was $5.99. Get it out. It comes in a lovely Joy Sunday bag. Get it out of here so you won't have to deal with the glare. And it looks like this. Isn't that cute? It's just really whimsical. And I think it would need a little bit of back stitching. I don't know that it does or it doesn't have. It doesn't look like it does. Yeah, it does have some, but in weird spots like the flowers. But I think some of these things need to be gone around. And it says the owl welcome card. So it's kind of long and skinny, 14 count. It does have a paper, pattern. And it's all in one page. And it does have it broken up into 3 separate areas. And it is a partial. Very nice, very easy to see. Let me open it up this way, and the rest of it's here. And it has, that's what I was going to look for, 23 colors. So it has full stitch and back stitch. But see, there's just a little back stitch here and a little bit around this leaf or whatever. But I think if you defined all this, I think it would have a lot more definition. I just thought it was cute. And for, what was that, $5.99? Yeah, I didn't think it was too bad. I saw this on somebody else's channel, and I can't for the life of me. So if you know, sing out. If you're the one that, and you watch my channel. It is 274 by wide by 70 high. So it's just long and skinny, kind of like a band sampler. And the paper pattern will not match the canvas for symbols. And they have their own symbols for everything here on the bottom. And they're very nice and easy to see. Nice canvas here. Does have the product numbers that were on the front of the paper and the name of it. But yeah, I just thought this would be really easy peasy to do. It's got big areas, it's got small areas. I kind of liked it. Very nice. Let's see. I'm looking at what it's supposed to be. It is serged all the way around. It has very nice canvas. Let's see here. It is 57 centimeters this way. It says it's supposed to be 58. And it's 17.5 centimeters this way. Actual picture size is 5 inches up and down, or 13 centimeters by 49.5 centimeters, or 19.5. So if you could find a nice little skinny frame, or, have it done custom, as you please. But yeah, I just love the owls. I thought they were just too cute and too nice. Very nicely printed. Very easy to see. Especially for a 14 count. And it doesn't have doesn't have any half cross stitches in it. It's all full cross stitch and just a bit of back stitching in it. So very nice, very cute. Every once in a while I gotta have Whimsical, you know. Let's take a look at this one, and it was $15.99. Whoops. We flip it over, and I'm going to put a picture here. That way you get a better picture of it, because this picture is kind of, excuse me, fuzzy. Okay, it has a nice paper pattern. It is an 11 count. See, it says 11 count. And it is 278 by 191. It is actually size-wise, let me look, 50 by 70, but very small printed, very big pattern, but as you can see, I'll hold it as still as possible. It is very tiny, very, very tiny. I mean, this looks like it's about 18 count. Yeah. 34 colors. We have 310 black, 823, which is the dark blue, no 939, no 3371, and it does have 3865 in it. But if you were going to use, and it's got lots and lots of confetti because of those trees that come across here. The bottom is nothing compared to the top. Yeah. So, very, very nice. But it's nicely printed, and it's crisp, but, you know, if I was going to work for any time with this, I would have to, sorry, my bad, blow it up. But it does have all the little lines. You can see that behind this 6. So, you know, it's nicely printed, but just small. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, look at these colors. Oh gosh. Okay, we have 2 little birds. We have the swallows, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. We'll put that up there. And the threads do come in their own bag. And it does say 50 by 70 here, and the product number. And I'm telling you it's an 11 count, but look at those bright, vivid colors. Oh my goodness. Let me get that out. Whoop. Get that out of my way. So you got a few hanks of thread. Let's take a look here. This looks like 310 black. 310 black. You have 2 of those. You have one of 603, which is kind of a coral pink. You have kind of a petal pink, medium, which is 3607. You have neon green, which is 704. Very bright. And we have, I'm trying to get which way it's supposed to be, 906, which is a very vivid green, grass green. And then you have this beautiful fuchsia color, if I could just talk, which is 718. So this, and this will make up those trees. So it'll just be stunning. But there's a lot of confetti. Not happy, but okay. Yeah, we'll just fish through that one day when we're in the mood to do confetti. Okay, let me pull this out here. They've got all the threads on one card. But there's the rest of those beautiful colors. Pinks, dark magenta, dark greens. You got 3 greens that are fairly close together. You have bright greens. That's those 2 greens. Very beautiful. There's the other bright green right here. Very nice. Beautiful colors. I just love those cherry trees, or I'm assuming they're cherry trees. I'm taking that. If it's not, please let me know in the description below. Not the description, but in a comment. They may be fuchsia trees too. I don't know. Is there? Yeah, there's fuchsia trees, right? Holy cow. Too much to choose from here. Get all the fuzzies off the ends. It is serged all the way around, which is nice. I'm going to have to empty my thread thing. Let me see if I can get it undone. Oh, I got it upside down. Hold, please. Oh my goodness. It is one wide canvas. But look at that top. It is like, can you see that? That is confetti. Oh my goodness. Lots of confetti. Oh my goodness. It might go faster than you think. I mean, it's kind of consistent when you look at it. So it's not every third one exactly, but yeah, there's some color changes. And the stitching does not interfere hardly at all. It's just skims right along the edge. Bright, clear key right here. Canvas looks to be very well printed. Got some big areas down in here. I'll just move it up a little bit so you can see the bottom. It's like a curtain, I swear. And this is very thick canvas, but very nice. It'll be a solid piece when it's done. Let me see here. Oh, excuse me. 69, I'm sorry, 69.5 centimeters that way. And 48 centimeters this way, or 19 inches. Actual picture size is 16.5. Okay, we're going to call it 16 3/4, or 42.5 centimeters by 63 centimeters, or 24 3/4 centimeters. So nice big canvas, very well printed. I mean, it's printed dark enough that you can see all the symbols. I'm just gonna do it this way. I'll bring you down. Very nice, very easy to see, because it is kind of wide. But I'm surprised it didn't say that it would I'm looking to see if that, I'm just putting a little water right there. Looks like it's gonna, can you see where it started? Whoops. No, you can't see anything. Hello. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. We're having a day, aren't we? You can see that when I put a little bit of water to that, it did start to bleed, so this will wash out. I think I'm going to start doing that on all the new different canvases that I get. So we will see. But very nicely printed. I can't get over how dark the colors are. Seriously, you're just going to fall on my face. Get back up there. Nice, clear. It's wonderful. Yeah, I don't know when I'll start that, but yeah. So that is all I got from ColorfulDIY. They do have free shipping on orders over $69. If they have any specials, I will put that in the description below. And they have cross stitch and diamond painting and embroidery. They always have a great selection, you know, for any craft that you want to do there, you know. So go visit them and see what you like. Thank you, ColorfulDIY, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful kits. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.